Hi friends, first we need to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network. So here you can see that I have connected this TV to this BSNL 1 Wi-Fi network. Then in the left side you can see I have connected this mobile phone to same BSNL 1 Wi-Fi network. Then in mobile phone open Google Play Store and install Google Home app. So we need to install this Google Home app in mobile phone. Then in TV we can enable Chromecast if TV supports Chromecast. This TV supports Chromecast, so I need to enable it. I enabled Chromecast. Then in mobile phone open Google Home app. Tap on this open. Then we need to log in with Google ID. So this app will automatically search and detect the devices in the same network. Here you can see it's showing Android TV. So this is the name of the TV which I am using. Tap on that. Then tap on this cast my screen option. Here, tap here. Then tap on cast screen. Then tap on cast screen. Then tap on start now. Then please wait. See, it's working. So if you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate this phone. So that way we can switch display to full screen. So if you want to disconnect this screen casting, you can again go to home app, then tap on stop mirroring. Done. So please try it.